The struggle is real. We are back here at the dyno getting ready to put the black car back together here. As you know, that we had taken the springs off, or at least a couple of them, and we checked to make sure that they were within tolerance. One of the issues of us breaking up, stop making power at 5,000 when you should make it well past that. Valve springs might be messed up, so we're going to look into the ignition tonight too. We're going to verify timing. Distributor had changed or something, so we're going to verify that as well tonight. Might be time for that Terminator X, guys. I don't know. Might be something. All right, so we went ahead and got the two valves that we actually took the springs out and checked. Went ahead and set it. We usually set our valves to like 1.5, depending on how much travel it is in the hydro lifter. But this motor, like I said, is going to be coming out later this year to go solid roller. These springs were actually in such good condition that I could almost run a solid roller cam with them on the cylinder heads. But we decided instead to, we're probably going to go through the motor and do some things to it after the coupe is, what'd you find out? Find one? I made him walk through rain to get.
Damn rain! You're gonna drop it. This is like
this dyno has consumed
a lot of stuff
from people working on stuff. And you would think that we would just fish it out, but we're a little
protect it with your life.
Here, put it right here. Put it right here. Put it right here. It'll probably. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put it over here because then you'll be looking for 6 more. I appreciate it, Dave. Dave coming through for me. Got now I got it set already.
You set them?
Yeah, I set them, so I got to wipe it down real quick, check everything, put the plug back in, whatever. Set the valves up. Won't take too long. Fire it up, we'll check the time. What, man? It's like I work for you.
I was gonna say, you want me to hold the camera so you can work?
Sure, there you go.
Which way does it point?
Stop, you're gonna make everybody sick to their stomach.
Ah, there we go.
After 60 seconds, it goes into battery saving mode.
Well, we don't want that.
No.
Go. Work. Videoing you, proving that you do work.
I did that on my head cam. They watched me set valves.
Really?
Why are you still looking at the motor?
I'm waiting for you to work. I'm trying to be a good helper.
You are a good helper.
Well.
We're gonna go ahead and verify timing here. We're gonna fire it up to make sure it doesn't blow up in front of me. But I think we got everything set back to where it was at. Hang on a second, let me check for fuel. Again, one more time. Rockers are set right? All right, so we're gonna go through and check. Go ahead. Again. So it's like 7:30, so we got to get rolling out of here. But what we figured out in the black car is exactly what we had thought. The balancer kind of reads a little bit different than normal balancers. I was pretty much sitting, and you can kind of see the pink mark there on the balancer down there. My distributor has been off. I don't know why or how it got moved, but this is some of the stuff that can happen. Basically, our timing on our mark here on our distributor and our balancers at 6 degrees mechanical. And we tune our A9Ls, binary editor, we put them at 10 degrees, and then we tune from there. We add timing from there.
Thing's trying to run at like 11 degrees, and it hates you.
And what's happening is mechanically, and it explains why my headers glow a little red. You know, it's just not burning efficiently. So we've been this whole time running on this motor. I don't know how that would have got moved. Just could have maybe moved. It's not loose. I don't know. Did you?
We probably set it when it was on the dyno, and you were probably in a hurry, and you probably lined it up to the line, and the line's not right.
That's great. We're gonna come in tomorrow, and we're gonna set to 10 degrees, which, like I said, that could have just moved with me monkeying around with the car at some point. We're gonna set it to 10 degrees, and we're gonna put, we're gonna take this I'm gonna take this valve cover back off, reset our valves on this side. They're not exactly set just right, and I think we're gonna go back through them. These are the things, guys. This is the struggles of making horsepower, and it's what we talk about on the channel. It's what he talks about. It's what we all talk about as mechanics. You just gotta get through it. You gotta be motivated. You gotta get your shit fixed. You gotta figure out what's going on with it, and you just gotta do it. A lot of this stuff in here is not efficient. I mean, even my pipe here with this new housing, I gotta change that. I'll be hating on that, bro.
Why is that there? I'm curious.
That's built, not bought.
There's a story behind that.
I don't even know.
You hit it with a hammer? Get mad?
I don't even know. If you guys enjoy the channel, make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that, give me a comment below. Like I said, the struggles are real, man. And it may be time for our Terminator X when we put this motor in the coupe. But to be honest with you, we're gonna add 4 degrees of mechanical timing. I mean, my tune's like thinking it's like 11 degrees right now. This motor hates me right now. No wonder it doesn't make no horsepower. Ain't got no timing in it. Now, if we would have kept going when we were actually tuning the other day, and he would have kept throwing timing at it, the car would have started coming around. Obviously, the motor would have started picking up, probably leaps and bounds at that point when you started adding timing. But being mechanically wrong, 4 degrees, not the right answer. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe on the way out. Make sure you leave me a comment below. Check out that join button. We'll see you soon in the next video.